Today we got a quick rip of Prizm Basketball 2024-2025. It's my first pack opening of this. Let's see how I do. The Socratic rips. Let's do this. Have y'all opened these packs up? If so, let me know what you got. All right. Let's see what we got, y'all. Scottie Pippen Jr. A Derrick Rose. D Rose he's awesome. Toppin. Robinson. Porzingis. Drew Holiday. We got a Vince Carter. Bol. Aaron Gordon. I hate when they have the cards flipped like that. Robert Williams. A Bronny James Jr. Emergent. AJ Johnson. It's not a bad looking card. Isaiah Collier, rookie. Hakeem Olajuwon and Missy, rookie. And the best card ever, security code. Let's go. Protecting the store from stolen products. Let's send this to PSA. Let's go. All right. With that said, like, subscribe. I'll check y'all later. Socratic Rips out. Peace.